In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to turn on and enable the speak selection feature when you're hovering over or highlighting text on your macOS device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is select the Apple icon up in the top menu bar and then go down and select System Settings. On the left panel, select Accessibility, and then on the right side, select Read and Speak underneath Vision. And where it says Speak Selection, here selected Text Spoken Aloud. Click inside that oval to toggle it on, and you can see the shortcut key in order to access that as well. And that's pretty much it. So, as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.